Good morning, children. Today we will be going to solve some numericals on waves. We will study the numericals on the topics which we have done. Okay. Now see, one numerical, it is written here. The equation of a plane progressive wave is y is equal to 10 sine 2 pi t minus 0.005 x, where y and x are in centimeter. Y and x are in centimeter, t is in seconds. Calculate the amplitude. We have to calculate the amplitude, frequency, wavelength and the velocity of the wave. So these four quantities we have to find out. So how to do that? The first step is, this is the equation given. So the displacement equation which is given to us, it is y is equal to 10 sine 2 pi t minus 0.005 x. Okay. Now we will equate this equation with the standard equation. Okay. So which is the standard equation? The standard equation, here 2 pi it is written. So we will be, see actually what happens, 10, here just see 10, it is the amplitude. The equation is a sine omega t minus kx. This is the standard equation. Okay. What is a here? A is the amplitude. It means the amplitude of the given wave which is given to us, it is 10. Okay. So this a, with this we came to know that a is equal to 10. Now after that we will just find out the another thing. Here it is omega. Omega is 2 pi upon t into t minus k. K is 2 pi by lambda into x. Okay. So it is a sine 2 pi t upon t minus x upon lambda. Okay. So it is now we are comparing the equation 1 and 2. We are comparing equation 1 and 2. When we are comparing equation 1 and 2, we are observing that the amplitude is equal to 10. Okay. Amplitude is in centimeter. Okay. Amplitude of the wave 10, it is given in centimeter. Clear? Now after that, sine 2 pi t. What is the variable here with t? With t we are having only 1. So it means that 1 upon t is equal to 1. It means that frequency is equal to 1 hertz. Because frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. This you know. Now after that, k. K, in place of k or 1 upon lambda, we are having 0.005. It means 1 upon lambda is equal to 0.005. Okay. So lambda will be 1 upon 0.005. So we are removing this. This is 3. 5 2s are 10. It is 200. So here we are getting as 200. So this value of lambda, it will be in centimeter. So this is 200 centimeter. So wavelength we have calculated, frequency we have calculated, and then after that the next thing, amplitude, it is equal to 10, that we have seen. Okay. Now the fourth thing which we have to find out, it is the velocity. So when we have to find out the velocity, we are having the relation as v is equal to nu lambda. Okay. What is the value of nu? Nu is 1 hertz here. What is the value of lambda? It is 200. Okay. So velocity will be 200 centimeter per second. So this will be the velocity of the wave. Okay. So in this way we have calculated the amplitude, frequency, wavelength and velocity of the wave. Okay. Now we will see another question. A wave traveling along a string. So we are having a string and a wave is traveling around it is described by the equation. So the displacement of the wave is described by the equation 0.05 sine 40x minus 5t. Okay, in which the numerical constants are in SI units. So here all the constants, all the values here, these all are in SI unit. Okay, it means it is 0.05 meter, this is 40 radian per meter. Radian per meter means it is representing the velocity. Okay, so wave velocity, then and 5 radian per second. So it is representing the 5 radian per second. Then after that, calculate the displacement at distance 35 centimeter and time 10 second. So we have to find out the displacement at the distance of 35 centimeter. It means that here the distance means the value of x we will be going to substitute, and that too also we will substitute in the form of either, here they have written centimeter, so we will just write all the things in one unit only, either MKS or CGS. Okay, and time it is 10 seconds. So particularly for 10 seconds we have to find. So now again we will equate this equation with the standard equation. We will find out all the required things. Okay, we will find out the value of lambda, we will find out the value of frequency. Okay, all that values we will find, and accordingly we will be going to solve. So this is y. Now from this y xt, it is, the equation is 0 a sine, the standard equation I am talking about, omega x, it is kx minus omega t. Okay, so when the equation is moving along the negative x direction, that time we have seen that it is omega t. See here, omega t minus kx is the expression when the wave is moving along the positive x direction, and this value will become positive when it is moving along the negative x direction. Now here we are considering this thing as opposite and we are solving it. So it is a sine kx minus omega t. So the value of k, now we will write down the values. It is 0.05. Okay, amplitude we are finding at 0.05 meter. Now the value of k is 2 pi by lambda is equal to 40. Okay, it is equal to 40, it is given. So now we can find out the value of lambda. It is 2 pi upon 40. So it is 20 pi by 20. It is giving us pi upon 20. It is giving us 15.7 meter. Okay. It is giving us 0.157. 0.157 meters, which we will write in centimeter as 15.7. Okay. So this was the value of lambda which we were getting. This is lambda. This is remaining thing. Now we will write about this. Omega is 2 pi upon t. Okay. 2 pi upon t, it is equal to 5. Okay. So t will be equal to 2 into 3.141 upon this will become 5. So when we will solve it, we will be going to get the value as 1.26 centimeter. Directly in form of centimeter I told you. So the value of t we got, value of lambda we got. Now frequency also we will be going to get. Okay, frequency we can find out. Frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. So time period is 1.26. So here 1.26, when we will solve it, we will be going to get 0.8 hertz. Okay, so it is 0.8 hertz. That will be the unit of frequency. Okay, now after that we have calculated all these constants. Now we will substitute the values along with the value of x that 35 centimeter. All the values we have written in the CGS unit only. X is 35 centimeter. T is 10 seconds. So the values we will be going to write in the form of this in the CGS unit only, in this values, in this equation particularly we will write. I am rubbing this particular thing. Now here y xt is equal to 0.05 sine. Here it is 40 into, okay, now we are doing here 35 centimeter it is there. So 35 centimeter, when we will write it in meters, we will be going to get 0.35. Okay, so 0.35 minus 5 into T is 10. So on substituting the values, we will be going to get the standard value as 0.05 sine. This is 40 into 0.35 into minus 50, that will give us sine 36. So sine 36 meters. So like this we have substituted all the values and we got the result as y. Okay, now you can note down these two numericals and practice them today only. Okay, so these 4 numericals you will be going to practice in today's class. So children, study carefully. All the best.